Hello students, welcome once again to another section. Now we have a question over here. Now the figure shown can be folded into the shape of a cube. So it can be folded, right? It can be folded into the shape of a cube. Now in the resulting cube, which of the lettered faces is opposite to the face marked S? So we have this value x here, which the question says that which of the lettered faces, right, is opposite to the face mark S here. Now if you look at this diagram or this figure over here, you realize that now we want to think of this A here as the bottom. So if A is the bottom here, now we'll fold A to the top, right, and we'll fold S also to the top, right. So in doing that, you realize that S now comes here as still X here, but A here, when we fold it to the top, you realize that B will be at the background, so it's just going to be at the back of it. So we are going to have A, and let's write B sub here, being B, which means that B is at the background, is at the back of the face A, right. Then over here also C also goes up. So what I'm trying to say is that B goes to the top, S also go to the top. So C goes to the top, fold it up. Then we can have over here to have C at the face and D at the background, right. Now when we continue folding continuously, you realize that so realize that X is at the left hand side, right, and C here is at the right hand side, which means that X here is just opposite to C, and C is also opposite to what? X. So since they are opposite, and therefore we can say that X here, right, the lettered face opposite to the mark X here is just C here, right. So the answer is just C. We have C over here. Did we get it? All right. So thank you very much for joining me in this section, and I'll see you guys in another session. If you are new here, like, subscribe, and also hit the notification to be notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you very much, and see you in another section.